Hair care tips for moms. Learn how to keep your hair healthy with these 10 tips for moms. Eat fresh vegetables, fruits, eggs, fish, and dry fruits. Drink milk. Stay hydrated by drinking lots of water. Wash hair every alternate day or twice a week. Oil hair before washing and massage scalp gently. Use moisturizing hair masks. Wash with appropriate shampoo. Get rid of dandruff and keep scalp moisturized. Use conditioner after shampooing. Avoid excessive styling, coloring, and ironing. Use gentle shampoos with fewer chemicals. Wash hair when required. Trim hair every 2 to 3 months to avoid split ends. Follow these tips to keep your hair healthy and avoid damage. Subscribe to Baby and Mom. Here you'll find all the latest expert advice covering every aspect of becoming a mom. We will guide you through each stage of pregnancy, prepare you for birth, get to grips with new motherhood, and even take the tantrums out of toddlerhood.